celulares y busca personas está permitido. Permanezca sentado con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y el equipaje maniobrado hasta que el capitán apague la señal de ajustarse los cinturones. En ese momento revise en el área de los asientos por artículos personales traídos a bordo. Tomen precaución al abrir los compartimentos superiores, ya que el contenido se puede desplazar durante el vuelo. Ha sido un placer servirles y esperamos poder atenderlas nuevamente. Gracias por preferir Copa Airlines. Dear passenger, welcome to Panama City. Will you be taxiing for the next 10 minutes? The use of cellular phones and two-way players is now permitted. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all carry-ons stowed until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to check around your seating area and seat pocket for your personal belongings that you brought on board. Please take care when opening the overhead bins as it's going to be a shift during flight and land. It has been a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for choosing Copa Airlines.